Hello, I'm Silvana and I want to show you how to assess students' work and give them real-time feedback on your Mindomo assignments. Once your students start working on your assignment, you can check their progress. Here you can see each student's contribution. Click on the play button to see the step-by-step contribution. You can pause the map creation video whenever you want. You can also rewind to see the map starting point or the final result. Moreover, you can view details for all the changes and even make a copy of the map version. If you want to give them feedback, you can start a discussion. Besides text, you can also add documents from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox or OneDrive. To evaluate their work, grade each student separately based on his individual contribution to the assignment. On the top right corner, you can see the student's name. Add the grade in the box. On the top left corner, you can see how many students were graded. After you grade a student, you can also give him detailed private feedback. The grades are privately shared with each student and you have access to a full grading report, which can be downloaded. If you want to know all the benefits of a Mindomo mind map assignment, learn how to create and share it with your students, check out our other videos. Keep it smart, simple and creative, and see you next time!